Welcome to the city of Fairfax, where we have the big award winners for the year. We've got 3 EMS Excellence Awards, which warms my heart because this is where I was born and raised, and all these people mentored me and taught me one thing or another. Contribution to EMS, emergency, preparedness, and response to Mr. Josh McCuin. So this is for all of your work throughout your entire career, from being Sparky the dog, to doing hands-only CPR, educating seniors on medicines, falls. Like, you are been quietly and very confidently making sure that the city is a safer place and that the region is a safer place. And for that, I want to present you this award.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your award. Appreciate all that you do for us. On behalf of the city and the department, thank you. Not only for teaching hands-only CPR, stopping the bleed, but all the work that you do with fire prevention, being Sparky, and even being a mentor at the local elementary school. We really appreciate everything that you do and contribute to us. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Chris Myer, an award for outstanding contribution to EMS health and safety.
Awesome.
So this is a regional award. It makes you eligible for the governor's award for the state.
Okay.
And this is because of all of your efforts. Well, it's because of who you are first, because when you see things that need to get done, you get them done. And you notice that there's a problem with the bays and climate control, and because of your work on that is why you were nominated for this award. And we all fight fire, but we know that the real enemy is cancer. And because of the work you're doing, you could have saved, I don't know how many lives in the future. So for that, you get this award, and thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
And on behalf of the city and the department, I'd like to thank you for all the work that you do, not only as an outstanding fire medic, but the work that you did with atmospheric monitoring here in the station for quality of life, and your contributions to the cancer prevention. Really appreciate your hard work.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Orndoff for outstanding EMS leadership. Brian, from the very beginning of your career, you've been an EMS leader even when you were an intern. You're asking questions, you're paving the way, and now that you're an EMS program manager, you're serving on all committees, you've stepped up to be the chair of the EMS Nova Committee. You've been countless hours of work since COVID set in, meeting with everyone that's necessary. So on behalf of that, I want to present you this award for outstanding EMS leadership.
Thank you.
Brian, congratulations on your award. We appreciate everything that you do for us. Not only excelling as a fire medic, now as our EMS program manager, but all of your contributions to the department and the city. Stepping up recently with the COVID crisis, serving as the city's infection control officer, all the countless hours of work that you did for the city manager. Appreciate everything you do in addition to your normal duties, and getting us the AHA Lifeline Awards. Great job. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Korman. So John, please step up. John's been here for about 21 years, I understand. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, and John has been the bridge between fire, EMS, and telecommunications. He's served on state committees, regional committees. He's worked with COG to develop policies, and especially with COVID-19 and anything that has been occurring. Basically, if there's a question about talking to EMS and fire and building that bridge, then John's been the person that they go to. So for that reason, you're getting outstanding contribution to EMS telecommunications.
Wow, thank you.
You need an elbow?
You want to get the
There
elbow
you
smile?
go. Yeah, smile, masked up.
Right, representing Fairfax County Fire and Rescue. I've been here for 2.5 years now as the UFO supervisor, as the principal agency liaison to DPSC. And I wanted to say that our agency wholeheartedly wanted to thank you. That's why this nomination came. You've been instrumental in our ability to develop policy and procedure collaboratively well with this agency and in Fairfax County and the region. You've been a sounding board for me in my time here to make sure that the policies meet not only the fire department's objective, but the practicality of the staff here with DPSC and how we integrate ourselves as a county with our partners regionally. There have been early mornings, late nights, but you've always been there. Sometimes you're the one waking me up to ask me a question, but there have always been important questions, and you've helped us tackle a lot of issues whether it's firefighter safety related, CAD communication with other agencies, getting our medical EMD program up and rolling so that we can streamline our call processing. You've been instrumental along the way, so I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you.
Here is because one of your instructors is regionally known and is amazing and is being recognized with an award today. So Ryan Kirk, come right up. So Ryan is getting the award for Outstanding Prehospital Educator because Ryan gets EMS education. He gets education, he gets EMS. He is bringing EMS education into the 21st century. He has mastered technology, and more than that though, he connects with the students. So whether it's doing 2-minute conferences after every class, he understands that none of it matters what he knows, it matters that it gets into each one of your heads and that you know, and that you can do what he's trying to explain for you to do. And that's why Ryan is getting this award. It makes him eligible for the Governor's Award for the Commonwealth of Virginia for the same category. And you guys are really lucky to have him. So that's why I want to present this award to you. And thank you, Ryan.
Thank you.
It's exciting as the chief of the department that to have an instructor get this recognition from the Northern Virginia EMS Council. It just goes to show about the quality of the program that you're getting ready to jump into. And we're excited for Ryan as well and for that recognition and the rest of the instructors, because I know they're going to elevate this each time we do a class. They go through their process of looking at what needs to be changed, and they do a great job of that to make it fun and exciting for you as well as you go through that. So with that, again, Craig, thank you very much for coming out. Congratulations, Ryan.
Thank you. Innovation Excellence in EMS. This is a new regional award this year. It's a new state award, and Loudoun County is the first recipient in Northern Virginia to receive this award. And the reason you're getting this award is because of your innovative EMS supervisor program. I know you've had supervisors for a long time, but you're constantly developing the program. And because of the low number of supervisors you have, you're able to take a large system like Loudoun County and make it move nimbly and do more innovative things every single day, to giving blood products in the field, to carrying whole blood hopefully in the future soon, RSI, the list goes on, and whatever else happens next, you'll be the first ones to be doing it because of your innovation in EMS. So,
the EMS supervisors in Loudoun County are an integral part of our EMS response. Their knowledge, experience, and passion makes them an invaluable resource to our system. And as medical director, I appreciate what they do to bring exceptional quality to our EMS agency and really push the envelope on pre-hospital EMS care.
We're in Arlington County to give our most prestigious award, the Award for Excellence in EMS, to Kate Kramer, PAC, from Arlington County Fire Department. And this is because Kate does everything for EMS. Regionally, she is on every committee that I've been aware of. She helped with community paramedicine, stroke, STEMI. We've had weekly OMD meetings ever since COVID started, and she's there. We're not giving out a regional medical director award this year, and I think that's very appropriate because Kate is an assistant medical director, and this award is even more prestigious, Excellence in EMS. I'm going to ask Dr. Smith to come up.
And to honor to have Kate work with us. I think 2015 is when she started, and we brought her in to really help us look at this issue. We started with the issue of frequent users and people who are calling, and how do we deal with the kind of overutilization by some of our population, including our skilled nursing facilities and other medical facilities, and she's kind of hit that one head on, and it has just really gotten into every piece of EMS that we're involved in. And I know that essentially, my success is 99% because I have Kate working and helping me, and I certainly wouldn't be standing here and wouldn't be nearly as successful without her. She is also a leader in the nation around the use of physician's assistants in EMS. EMS is one of the few fields of medicine where we're not using PAs very well. She still helps us found a committee there with the National Association of EMS Physicians on how do we move physician's assistants forward and provide, so we can kind of clone Kate and give her to the rest of the world, the rest of the EMS systems to make them better and help push them like we've been pushed. So it's my great pleasure to nominate Kate. It's my great pleasure that she's won this award because it really is well deserved. And
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything that you do.
Elbow bump.
Just do your elbow.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Good, thank you. Here to present you with the 2020 Regional EMS Award for Outstanding Prehospital Provider. So this makes you eligible for the Governor's Award of the same category. And the reason you're getting this award is not just because you're a great paramedic, you're a great EMT, it's because you make other people great. You do not rest until the situation around you is better, whether it's a call, or whether it's interaction with another provider, or whether it's fighting COVID. You never give up, and you always make the situation better in the end. So I'm very proud to present you with the Regional Award for Outstanding Prehospital Provider for 2020.
all right.
There you go.
On behalf of Sterling Rescue, obviously, thanks very much for everything that you did to earn this award. Over 1,500 hours alone, running operational hours in 2019, and in addition to your duties as president, preceptor, a leader, an officer, you showed everybody what it was like to fight and then come back from COVID, and that's, in addition to what you did on the street caring for all the patients in the midst of COVID. So you set a goal that you were going to come back Labor Day, and you beat it by 6 weeks, as much as we tried to get you to sit down. So when we knew this award was happening, it was in the midst of another time when you were off for a little bit, so we've been trying to do this for quite some time. I thought we'd get you speechless, but you thanked everybody, and that was great. But on behalf of Sterling Rescue, we're really happy to kind of have you get this. It represents not only us, but obviously the system. I'm going to ask Chief Johnson and Dr. Morgan to kind of say a couple things, and then we'll let you celebrate. And plus, you've got to be on duty at 1800.
That's why I got covered.
Chief.
Thank you. Sam, you are just a role model. How else do we put it? A role model for all of us that work in fire and rescue to be able to do what you do. You do it for free. And as Chief Harasak said, you're not only a provider and a paramedic, you're the president of this large company in our Loudoun County system, which in itself requires a lot of meetings and time away from your family and all of that. So when we look up a system member and what that means to be a role model, your picture's got to be right there. And you're a true friend. We love you, and we're glad you're back running calls. We're glad you're healthy. Your crew's happy, and more Starbucks for you. So we're all good. I'll buy you a cup. I'll buy you a cup. Dr. Morgan?
Congratulations to Sam on his Regional Provider of the Year award for EMS. Sam's a very important, integral member of our fire and rescue system in Loudoun County, contributed so much to various projects, including our active shooter threat projects and bringing Hands-Heavy online in our system, and many more. As a medical director, I appreciate all that Sam does to challenge me and bring new ideas forward into our system to develop and work with. So I just want to say congratulations to Sam on this important and well-deserved award.
Thank you.
Thanks to all our emergency responders, Northern Virginia is a safer place to live and work.